Remodel the pyroclastic flow on our volcano.
A pyroclastic surges is a cloud of scorching hot gas that breaks off the eruption column and flows back down the side of the volcano.
The cloud is so hot that it incinerates everything in its path instantly.
The cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum were destroyed by a series of flows that killed everyone instantly.